I went to Baguio last summer with my family. This is the first place we went to. I love their menu. Okay, so they have pasta, chicken, ice cream. But the best part is you can make your own pizza. Now I'll show you my experience in how to make a pizza in Amare.